Everyone, in this video I want to show you how to connect your PixelTap or Pixelverse to your wallet. Alright, and some of you have already asked how can you connect your airdrop to wallet. Alright, not to waste our time, let's quickly click on this icon right before my name here. So this wallet icon, I'll click on it. Then it's asking for which of the wallet you want to connect. So you can choose anyone depending on the one that is okay with you. But if you're a beginner, I would advise you go with either of Bybit or Trust Wallet, as they're very easy to connect. So for now, I'm going to select Trust Wallet. Then it says, do you have a Trust Wallet account? If you don't have, just click on create an account and it will prompt you through how to create a Trust Wallet account. If I click on it, for example, now, you can see it's taking me into their website where I need to download the app. Then I'll follow the prompt. It's very easy to go through. So for now, that is not what I want to do, so I'll just cancel that. Unfortunately, there's no way to navigate back, so I just have to open this again. Alright, so I'll just head back to the wallet section, then click on what's it called, Trust Wallet. Then yes, I have it. Then it's asking for USDT ERC20 wallet address. Please take note of ERC20 wallet address. So I'll walk you through how to get your what's it called, USDT ERC20 wallet address. Alright, so now let me just minimize this and open Trust Wallet. So I'll be using this Trust Wallet account. Remember that Trust Wallet allows you to have more than 2 wallets. That is, you can have multiple wallets on the same app. So I'm basically using this for tutorials. So remember, it says we should look for our USDT account. So here I'm going to type USDT. Okay, and sorry, that's not it. Okay. Alright, now when we go through the list of USDT, you'll be confused as which one to use. Alright, so don't panic. The USDT ECR20 address is the one with Ethereum network. So I'm just going to click on the very first one at the top. And when you look at this part at the top, you see we have ECR20. You make sure you copy the right USDT address. If you use USDT BEP20, you will not get your fund. This is BEP20. You will not get your fund by the time you are to withdraw the airdrop. So you must use the right network. Make sure you copy the right address. So you just click on the receive button, then click on copy. So now I've copied my address. Then I'll head back to this page. Then I'll paste the address. Sorry. So I'll do the pasting, then I'll click on made it. Alright, so you can see your wallet is connected and successfully connected. So gotcha. So now you can go back here. So by the time this airdrop gets to pre-sale stage and listing stage, and it's time for you to withdraw your funds, or let me say your airdrop will be withdrawn directly to your what's it called, your Trust Wallet account. You can as well use Bybit. I'll also create another video. If you want me to create a video on how to link Bybit, please just drop a comment in the comment section. And if you want me to create another video, just tell me the wallets that you want me to create video for. So I'll show you a video guide on how to link that wallet to your Pixelverse. Alright, so if you like my video, please give a thumb up to my video, and if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your time, and God bless you.